Hello everyone, missing barbecue nation style grill pineapple? Don't miss it. Take a pineapple and cut both the ends. And then peel the skin of the pineapple vertically and then cut in vertical shape, leaving the middle part of the pineapple, that is the hard part. From top to bottom you have to cut vertically. Now take those cut pieces and cut into triangle shape as shown here, in a zigzag manner as well. Now put those pieces aside and take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt, roasted cumin powder, turmeric, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, sauce, tomato sauce or ketchup, and half a lemon. Squeeze it and then mix it properly. Instead of honey you can add powdered sugar as well, but I added honey, and add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Mix into a fine paste and then place it in a flat plate and add all the cut pieces to the sauce we have prepared here. So use your hands and mix it properly. Look that all the pieces are coated with the sauce we have prepared. You can marinate this for 1 hour or 2 hours for better results, or else you can, if the pineapple is a little bit ripe, then you can have it directly without marinating for 1 hour or 2 hours. So now take a skewer and then poke the pineapple pieces one by one. Probably 5 or 4 will do for a skewer. You can take wooden or steel one, metal one, whatever you feel like. So add all the cut pineapple pieces or marinated pieces to the skewers like this. See how juicy and how tempting they are. It's all coated with nice honey and all. Now on the other hand, heat the tawa or a pan and then add some butter to it and place the skewers one by one on the tawa. Now grill this pineapple pieces on the medium flame, not low nor high, because you may burn the pineapple. See, if you fry it on a medium flame, you will find like this. See, nicely they are cooked, coated with butter, honey and ketchup and all that lemony tangy flavor. So don't miss that barbecue nation style when you have pineapple at your home. Go try this recipe. And everybody will love it. If you have kids, just lessen the chili powder and everybody will love it. Try this and let me know in the comment section how it turned to you. Till then, bye bye.